Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to link Cashapp to Chase. So if you haven't signed up for Cashapp just yet, you can use my link down below so that we'll both get $5 when you do sign up. Now, once you sign up, you're going to reach a home page that looks like this here. Go ahead and click on the upper right hand profile icon and then scroll down to where it says linked banks. If you don't see the word linked banks, it might say linked card, but go ahead and click on linked banks for now. Now, what's going to happen here is that if you haven't linked a debit card to your Cashapp just yet, you need to link a debit card to your Cashapp account. Once you link a debit card to your Cashapp account, it's when the option to link a bank will appear. So go ahead and click on link bank, and then this window here is going to pop up, and then all you need to do is click on continue. And so this is when you actually can choose the Chase bank. So on the upper right hand side, you see Chase bank. Go ahead and click on Chase, and then click on continue to log in. Once you click continue to log in, you do need to make sure that you have your Chase app installed and logged in so that you can actually link your Cashapp account to your Chase account. Now, I'm not going to go any further than this just because some sensitive information is going to be shown. But once you follow the prompts after listed here, it should be pretty self-explanatory or straightforward on how to link Cashapp to Chase. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you guys have any comments, questions, or concerns, do let me know down below. But with that being said, if you haven't signed up for Cashapp just yet, you can use my link down below so that we'll both get $5. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Take care.